Welcome back. Taking a look live now out in Dallas. You can see right there, nice and sunny out there across North Texas. Hope you got out and enjoyed it today. Maybe got your cars washed, because meteorologist Jeff Ray, he says it's not going to last forever. Right, Jeff?
Never does. Low 80s was the high today. 61 was the low. Of course, it was mostly a day of sunshine. Now, you notice how breezy it was today. It's going to be breezy again through the overnight hours. I mean, the winds really are not going to die down if, in fact, they don't pick up overnight. Tomorrow we'll wake up with temperatures in the mid-60s, and we end up in the mid-80s, so even warmer tomorrow than it was today. But again, the strong winds are going to be around through the overnight hours. That's Monday's storm. Yeah, it's a low-pressure system you see off the west coast. This is the spring storm season, guys, and basically we watch these systems rolling in from the west into the Midwest, and doing so bringing with it some stormy weather. Now, when I say this is our storm season, what I mean to say is that more than half of all the tornadoes in the history of North Texas that have been counted, more than half of them have occurred in a 61-day window. April and May. So we're in storm season right now. We're not talking about tornadoes, by the way, with this upcoming threat, but there could be some very strong thunderstorms with hail along a dry line. This is Monday, by the way, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's nice. This is Monday. As we close the day, some of this activity will start approaching North Texas. As we get through the overnight hours, we'll probably see the storms die down, move over the Metroplex, and then fire back up to maybe severe weather by the time we get into Tuesday afternoon with the actual front overtaking the dry line. So that's the threat. It's Monday night in the overnight hours, especially to the west. There is a chance some of it could get into parts of the Metroplex like Tarrant County and Denton. The First Alert Weather Team will be here watching these thunderstorms roll towards us. And again, Tuesdays in the afternoon hours, the reheating of the day, some strong thunderstorms might form out to the east of the Metroplex. So warm and breezy tomorrow, even warmer than it was today. A few strong thunderstorms are possible. This is late Monday and into Tuesday. And by the way, the rest of the work week looks very warm before the next front. Don't change your wardrobe yet. Look at the run of 80s, and there's the first alert we're talking about for late Monday, Monday night, overnight. And then as you get into Thursday and Friday, that's another front coming through. So next week, we're talking about highs not in the 80s, but highs in the 60s. Don't put away all those second layers just yet.